What's up, everybody? Logan here. NFT Tiger is right back with another brand new platform. So, guys, today we're gonna be diving down into what is known as $DOOMS. So, if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. And let me clear that it's not a financial advice. So, do it with your own research. Study this platform. Take your time. And if you think you can generate the best return by buying $DOOMS, so it's a perfect opportunity for you because at the moment the price is quite acceptable. And the good thing is that you can buy that with the different types of currencies. And hope so you briefly understand, because it's my responsibility to provide you a proper guideline how basically it works. And I was discussing with project owner and the team who's backing up this platform, and in the end we decided to introduce this platform in front of my community because it looks to me that it's very safe and secure. First, we will check on the chart on DAX screener. So here we go. You can see here it's early stage, and you can verify each and everything, the price details, and it's a market cap at the moment 2.9k. And I already told you that it's an early stage, and when the investor will approach, the big whale will invest in, so definitely it will pump up and you can generate a high amount of profit in $DOOMS. So this is the detail about that. And next, let me clear that it's very important to join their community. And when you join their community, you will be able to get more information regarding $DOOMS, and I'm sure you will be satisfied to see all the detail regarding that. And next, you can see their Twitter. So I will show you all the detail. First, we will discuss the main page. You can see here all information. You can copy the link. The address is given, and it's so easy, so simple, and you can easily buy that. And what type of currency you can buy, you can see here, just click on buy. So I will show you how basically you can buy that. So with the let me say that if we buy with half soul, so how much we can generate, you can see here 2525441. So it's quite acceptable price at the moment. And suppose if you have USDT, so here we go, and I will show you with USDT how much you can generate. So with the 100 USDT, so how much you can buy with 100 USDT. So you can see here with $1, how much you can generate, 33,449. You need to connect your wallet, and you can easily connect your wallet if you have a MetaMask, some sort of which one? Yeah, Jupiter. So you can connect your wallet, and after that you can start your proceeding buying from here, and you can hold these coins until it listed on major exchanges, and after that you can generate the best return. So next, I will show you the further information. So next, you can see here the links are mentioned, and the details are given, and you can get more information about $DOOMS, and you will be able to get further information. So next, you can see here, no team, no promise, no future, and the world and decades in the silence of doom watches. And remember, nothing to sell, nothing to save, only $DOOMS. So it's a perfect opportunity in 2025, and I'm sure you can generate the best return, because looks to me it's quite promising platform and promising a project, and you can generate the massive return from here. And the next, you can see here their Twitter. So you will able to get more details on Twitter when you become the part of their Twitter, and you will follow the Twitter, and after that you will be able to get all the detail when they set up all information here, so you can get details from here. Okay, next, the links are there. I will post all the links in description, guys, if you have any question and query. So please don't miss to join their links, and you will approach the team. If you have any question and query, the team will approach you as soon as possible, and they will answer your question. And looks to me it's quite a huge opportunity for you to generate the best return in the future. So Let me clear that each day hundreds of platforms are launching. So it's very important to verify each and everything because it's a matter of your investment. So you have to be careful. Somebody has to be here standing behind you to guide you how basically you can buy that and which platform is legend for you and you can generate the best return. So in 2025, hundreds of platforms are launching, so it's very important to verify each and everything. So I will keep in touch with you in the comment section, guys. If you have any question and queries, please don't miss to join me in the comment section. I will be there always to provide you all the details regarding dollar dooms. So wish you best of luck, guys. We will meet our next video. Till then, bye bye.